Introducing Live 52, the trusted herbal supplement for exotic birds. Designed to promote optimal liver health, Live 52 offers numerous benefits. Its unique formulation supports liver function, aiding in detoxification and metabolism. Live 52 also helps maintain appetite and digestion, ensuring your feathered friend receives essential nutrients. Additionally, it boosts immunity, protecting against various infections and diseases. With Live 52, your exotic bird can thrive and maintain vitality. Ensure your bird's well-being with the power of Live 52. Try it today and witness the difference in your bird's overall health and happiness.